Benoit, Aya Gold and Silver. You guys just put out these numbers the other day for the quarterly production and your annual production. And this was a record. Correct me if I'm wrong. Was this a record quarter for Aya?
Yes, Jim, thank you again for inviting us. Absolutely. Q4 for 2022 was a record quarter, but just not exceeding the previous quarters. We're 52% above Q4 of 2021. We produced for the quarter 661,000 ounces of silver, which for us is, normally our run rate is more like 450, 475. 475,000 ounces per quarter. But in this fourth quarter, we were in a very high grade zone of the deposit where, we ended up processing an average of 364 grams per ton. But for most of the quarters at sometimes we were mining 1,000 grams per ton. And that is the nature of this deposit, is it's got some very high grade pockets and it has some more disseminated material. And our goal is to blend all of that and to be able, on average, to be running more at the regular grade, which is between 250 and 265. But for this
Okay.
quarter,
You
because
you had a super high grade area of the mine that you
yeah,
hit, and that led to just blowout numbers in the fourth quarter in terms
absolutely
of ounces.
complete blowout,
Yeah.
and this actually was managed, because if we don't manage it and to blend the ore, it could have been even higher. But that's not where we wanted to go, because it's
Yeah.
not representative. We really, a mine needs to be managed, and the blending is extremely important. So we're
Yeah.
very happy with this. With this quarter, all the KPIs, meaning availability of the plant, was very strong. Recoveries, were good. So you have availability at 88%, recoveries at 89%, and mine throughput. You see it there at 80,000 tons per day. Or for the quarter. So we have all the KPIs are green. The mine's running well, and hence the Q4 came and just made the year 2022 a stellar year for Aya.
You know, this is I came to actually I flew to Morocco to actually visit this mine and saw it on the ground, and it's really just an amazing operation. One of the most well managed and operations probably in the world right now. What
Yeah,
you guys are doing and what you're building and adding on to it. But I know you're producing close to two. This was a blowout quarter, but you're producing close to 2 million ounces per year normally right now, just a tad under. Um, it was what, 1.9, 1.8 for the year.
that's right.
Or was that last year? Oh
Yeah,
yeah, it
so
was. No, this is
that,
this year,
that's right.
2023.
Well, 2022, we finished the year at 1.880. So it's 80,000 ounces above the top number of our guidance. So we're
Yeah,
above guidance. So it's excellent. We're very pleased with this. This is kind of the run rate for 2023, because we're at capacity. You cannot have more availability and more recovery. So we're at the run rate. And then in 2024, when that third plant gets going, then we're going to move from 1.8 all the way up to 8 million ounces